Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by selecting the items to compress, pick files, or an entire folder. Right-click on your selection, then choose Send to and Compressed Zipped folder so Windows creates a zip. Once done, rename the archive to something clear. This helps later. Make sure you're in the correct folder before compressing because the archive will appear there. If you need multiple files, select them all with Ctrl or Shift so they become a single compressed package. Once the zip exists, you can fine-tune its contents and compression. To add files, drag items into the archive or open it and copy in. To remove, delete inside the archive. If you need better compression or encryption, install 7-Zip or WinRAR and use their context menu entries. They offer levels like Store, Fastest, Normal, Ultra, and Format choices. Zip, 7Z, RAR. Make sure to pick a level that balances size versus CPU time, because higher compression takes longer. To finish, test the archive. Extract it to a temporary folder to confirm files open correctly. Once verified, move or upload the zip and consider keeping originals until backup completes. If you used a third-party tool, embed a password or split archive if needed. If something goes wrong, archive won't open or shows errors. Try repairing with 7-Zip, recompress the original files, or create a new archive. Often corruption comes from interrupted transfers or disk errors, so check disk.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.